of class 10. Today I am going to teach about the first lesson of chemistry, that is the chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction means when the two or more than two types of substance react to each other to form new types of substances with new properties is known as the chemical reaction. Suppose, such as example, we make a tea at the morning. We put water, milk, tea leaf, sugar together to form a tea that become a new substances with a new property. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the different types of chemical reaction. In your book, there are 5 types of chemical reaction. They are, first one is combination reaction. First one is combination reaction. Now, what is combination reaction? Combination reaction means when the two or more than two types of substances combine to form only one type of new substances is called a combination reaction. Such as example, A plus B give rise to AB. So A is the one type of reactant, B is the one type of reactant, and AB is the new type of product. Now, if you see reactant, the substances that take part in the chemical reaction is known as the reactant, and the substances that form during the chemical reaction is known as the product. So, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन में क्या होता है बेटा कि कोई भी दो या दो से अधिक प्रकार के वस्तु एक आपस में मिलकर केवल एक ही नया वस्तु बनता हो तो उसको कहेंगे कॉम्बिनेशन, कॉम्बाइन होना. नाउ सेकंड वन इज द डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. सेकंड को क्या कहेंगे? डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. डिकम्पोजिशन मतलब होता है ना टूटना, स्प्लिट होना, ब्रेकडाउन. व्हेन अ single reactant break down or split into two or more than two types of new product is known as the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction are of 3 types. First of all, we have to see about the example. Suppose A, B is your reactant and it will be split into A plus B. So decomposition reactions are of 3 types. They are depending upon the heat, light and electricity. Decompose when the substances break down. Breakdown may be occurred by the help of either heat, either light or either electricity. If the decomposition takes place or breakdown takes place by the help of light, known as thermal decomposition reaction. B1. If the decomposition reaction takes place with the help of light, known as photochemical. Photochemical decomposition reaction. Third one is electrolytic. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Thermal means if the breakdown occurs by the help of heat, known as thermal. If the breakdown occurs in the reaction by the help of or due to the light, known as photochemical. And if the breakdown occurs due to the electricity, is known as the electrolytic. For example, NaCl aqueous. A2 मतलब means aqueous. A2 का मतलब होता है aqueous. Aqueous means solvent. When NaCl is dissolved in water, I will take water as aqueous. So aqueous, NaCl, aqueous means NaCl यानी कि नमक और पानी. So if we heat it, if we make the solution of NaCl and if we going to heat or boil it, I use the symbol of heat. This is the symbol of heat. If we heat, it will be breakdown of NaCl, and this arrow I will use in the bracket is precipitation. N plus H2O. I use upward arrow is the evolution. So जब भी हम NaCl यानी कि नमक को पानी में घोलेंगे, उसको गर्म करेंगे, उबालेंगे, तो वो नमक उसी बर्तन में बैठ जाएगा और जो पानी है भाप बन के उड़ जाएगा। तो इस तरह के रिएक्शन यानी कि हीट की सहायता से डिकम्पोज करें, नमक और पानी को अलग करें, सो इसीलिए इसको कहेंगे थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। नाउ सेकंड वन इज द photochemical reaction. Photo when we calcium carbonate, if we use calcium carbonate as a reactant, if light will be flow on the calcium carbonate, it will be broken down on calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. So this reaction occur due to the help of light. ये reaction light के साथ से broken down हो रहा है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बन रहा है, टूट रहा है वो, इसीलिए इसको कहेंगे photochemical because light means photo. Now third one is electrolytic. We take as a NaCl as a reactant if we use electricity on it, and ion of sodium ion and chlorine ion will be formed in the solution, so it will able to pass the electricity. So this is the three types of decomposition reaction. Now third one is the displacement. Displacement reaction. Displace means to exchange one element by the another element. Suppose I take potassium plus HCl and KCl will be formed from and H2 gas will be evaporated. Now I am going to balance this equation. It will be balanced now. Displacement. Potassium displaces the hydrogen. So it will be the displacement reaction. In the displacement, note that displacement reaction element can displace only least reaction. वो केवल अपने से least reactive element को ही displace कर सकते हैं. Now fourth one is the double displacement. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is the reaction in which both the compound having element exchange their place. Suppose H2SO4 plus ZnCO3 give rise to H2CO3 plus ZnSO4. Here if you see hydrogen replace the zinc and zinc replace the hydrogen, so two elements replace their places, so it is known as the double displacement reaction. Now here one is the oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation reaction, example of oxidation reaction. What is the definition of oxidation reaction? First of all, you know the definition. Removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen take place in the reaction. यदि ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा है या तो हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो रहा है, उसको कहेंगे ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. और एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन, definition of reduction reaction is that removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. यदि हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो रहा हो या ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो रहा है, उसको कहेंगे रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन H2 plus O2 give rise to H2O. Now I am going to balance this equation. This is balanced. H2 plus O2. H2 ने अपने साथ ऑक्सीजन पे ऐड किया, इसलिए इसको ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन कहेंगे. नाउ यदि देखेंगे रिडक्शन रिएक्शन में H2 plus F2 देखेंगे तो HF. Now I am going to balance this equation. It will be balanced to HF. फ्लोरीन अपने साथ हाइड्रोजन को ऐड कर रहा है जिससे हमने रिएक्शन आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर आपको इस केमिस्ट्री के इस लेसन के बारे में और जानकारी मिलेगा। थैंक यू।